Drepana, as it was called by the Greeks, Trapani is the capital of the province, also named Trapani. It originates from the word drepanum, meaning sickle, because of its curvy port. The city is a gateway between the Tyrrhenian Sea and the Straits of Sicily. With an active port, vibrant downtown with stunning Baroque buildings and impressive salt pans, the city has plenty to offer visitors. Fish, salt, marsala wines, and marble are some of its main products. But as it is all over Sicily, there's also plenty of great local produce. From ancient times to the present, Trapani's port was used for fishing, commerce, and travel. This is the historic fish market, where for centuries the daily catch was sold. Behind it is another beautiful view of the beach and the sea. Watchtowers and fortresses were built around the city to defend its people for centuries. This one built in the 1600s. After its Roman, Vandal, Byzantine, and Arab conquests, Trapani was taken by the Norman king Roger I in 1077. The Bourbon Kingdom and the two Sicilies lasted from 1738 to 1860 and followed the short Savoy and Austrian periods. The downtown historic center is a great place to walk around and admire the multi-sensory attractions, including churches, Baroque buildings, monuments, and palaces. The unique mix of Gothic and Islamic Spanish styles are quite impressive. Trapani, in fact, was home to many noble and wealthy families who lived in these palaces. Our friend Anna Marie Mistrata is enjoying researching her family roots, which includes nobility from Trapani and Erice. Have you visited Trapani? Are you enjoying this video so far? Leave us a comment below. One of the most striking buildings on the main street, called Vittorio Emanuele, is the 17th century Cavaretta Palace, which is in between two clock towers. It was Don Giacomo Cavaretta, a knight from Jerusalem, who had the palace built in 1672. The Cathedral of Trapani, dedicated to San Lorenzo, is also on Via Vittorio Emanuele. It was built in the 1400s. Also in the center of the city is the ornate church of the Jesuit College and the Church of Purgatory, plus many others. Off one of the side streets is the Basilica of San Nicola, one of the oldest in Trapani, dating back to the year 530, when the Greek Byzantines built a place of worship in this very spot. The existing structure is built on top of catacombs used as a cemetery in antiquity. You can actually explore part of the catacomb below by walking down a few steps inside the church. These beautiful nativity scenes are up all year and show incredible handmanship. Down the road is the church and convent of San Domenico, built in the 1200s. There's also the Church of San Pietro, rebuilt in 1076 by the Norman Christians that came during Count Roger. It is also home to one of the largest organs in Europe. In the outskirts of the city are breathtaking salt pans and mills, which have been part of the city's history and the province's rich history, dating back more than 3,000 years ago, and the Phoenicians, who used it to preserve fish and meat, and also in the tanning process of leather. Some of the mills grind salt to powder, while others, shaped like an Archimedes screw, are used to transfer water from the salt pans and back into the sea in order to further the evaporation process. Now it's time to sample some typical sweets from Trapani, including the Genovese and Castadelle. Some are made with ricotta and others with different flavored creams. Orange cream e ricotta.
Quella è pure con ricotta. Crema bianca al latte.
White cream made out of milk, and this is one with crema gialla.
Questa è crema gialla all'arancia.
Of orange. And this one is ricotta.
E questa è ricotta con un po' di cannella.
The magical mountain town of Erice is visible on your way out from Trapani and has close connections to the city. We have many more videos on Sicily on this channel, so you make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. Also, check out You, Me, and Sicily on Facebook and Instagram. See you on another video. Ciao!